Hello everyone, and I hope you're having a great Friday, heading into an awesome weekend full of cooking. We're going to start off today with making some crab-topped salmon. And it doesn't have to be crab, it could be crab or shrimp. Either way, we're going to start with some room temperature salmon, lightly dusted with some salt and pepper. We're going to leave this out for 15 to 30 minutes. To make the topping, we're going to start with 8 ounces of cream cheese, half a cup of mayonnaise, and 1 egg. Next we're going to put Old Bay in, and we're going to just do this to taste. If you really like Old Bay, then you can do a little bit more than what I did. But what we're going to do is we're going to mix this now prior to putting anything else in, so we can get the clumps out of the cream cheese, get it nice and blended up, and also before you put the crab in, because you want to keep the big lumps, and it's not only going to help with presentation but also with taste. Okay, now I'm going to add the spinach, and this is about a cup and a half of spinach that I put in the steamer that I have. Steam that down, we're going to mix that in as well. Okay, and this is a mix of roasted red peppers and white onions, diced. The roasted red peppers give it kind of a smoky fire flavor, and I really thought it turned out amazing at the end. And this is about 2 cups of finely shredded mozzarella cheese. And we're going to mix that in as well. And you're going to see it kind of gets a little thick here, which isn't really a problem. You want it to be pretty thick in the end product. And now we're going to put salt and pepper to taste. I can say I would do less salt next time. It was a little salty in the end. Okay, so now that we have that all mixed up, we're going to start adding our lump crab meat, and this is from, it's a blue crab, so like 6 or 8 blue crabs. Probably could have gone a little less on this, but honestly it turned out great with the big lumps on there. Had great flavor in the end. As you can see, I'm lightly twisting that around. I'm not really trying to mix it too quickly, because I want to keep the lumps together for big crab chunks on top of it, good flavor. And right now I'm going to add some Italian breadcrumbs and lightly just fold that in. Okay, so at this point we have our salmon at room temperature. Let the topping sit out for about 5 to 10 minutes just to kind of warm up a little bit. And right now you can see I'm putting a mixture of lemon and water on the pan, just so it evaporates while it's cooking and kind of keeps the salmon moist. So we're going to start by topping the salmon. I'll put a generous amount on there and then pat it all down and make sure it looks nice. After I'm happy with the look, I'm going to dust it with some more Italian breadcrumbs, just for a crispy top. And also a little bit of finely shredded Parmesan cheese. I'm going to bake that at 375 for 25 to 30 minutes. served with brown rice and broccoli. If you enjoy content like this, please like, comment, or subscribe. Every other Friday we'll have new videos.